Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. It comes with great features you love: Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, leather and metal look steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads